Now that we've got all of our zone programming done, we're going to go ahead and do all of our field programming to put in our receiver numbers and set the panel up to actually be functional and report to the monitoring station. So first thing we're going to do, get into programming. And now we're not going to get into zone programming like we were before with star 56, but we're going to stay in this regular programming. So we're in installer code, which is star 20. To move around in programming, if you want to enter data, then you would press the star button and then the field number. If you want to review data, so to see what's in a section, then you would do the pound button and then the field number. So for example, section 20, I want to know what the current installer code is. So I would press star 20, and then it's going to show me what's on there. 4112. So that we knew already, but I'm going to change that now to a different one. Let's say I'm going to change that to 4321, and that's the installer code I want. Okay. Now, most of the fields are already set up for what you need for reporting, so all you really have to do is type in your receiver numbers. So I'm going to go to star 41. That's my primary phone number. So on that, I'm going to put in just a fake number here. So I'm going to do 1-888-852-8521. Okay. Now I'm going to press star. So that just saved it. And then it automatically, on a Vista P panel, it automatically skips up to section 42. So we can just type in our information. Or on other older panels, you would have to press star again and then type in what field you want. So on this one, we're going to do 1-888-852-8522. I'm going to press star. And then our account number, the last 4 digits of our account number are going to go to the sub ID, which is the primary sub ID. So we'll say our last 4 digits are 5555. We'll press star. A couple more things that we need to do. We'll go to star 49. And we're going to turn off any kind of split or dual reporting. Okay, and by doing that, we're going to press 0. And that means that all reports, whether they're alarms or low batteries or anything like that, are all going to go to the same place. They're not going to, split up into 2 different accounts or anything like that. We're going to go to star 64. We want to make sure that our test reporting is set up, so we're going to do 10 here. And then one more section before we get out of here, we're going to go to star 84. This is the auto stay option, which means when you arm your system in away mode, if you don't open an entry door, then it's going to automatically put the system into stay mode. I don't like this because a lot of times customers think that the panel's not working properly, when in fact it's because they didn't open an entry-exit door. So I'm going to go ahead and press 0 on that and turn that off. And to get out of zone programming, I'm just going to press star 99. And two more things that I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and put in the current time. So I'm going to put in my current installer code, which is 4321. I'm going to do pound 63. Okay. Let's say it's, I'm going to press star, let's say it's 3 o'clock p.m. 2013. It is January, and today is the 7th. So I'll press star on that, and that just saved the time. And then one more thing that we'll do, there are 2 ways to do weekly test reporting on Vista panels. I'm going to use this way because this is how it's done on ADT's SafeWatch Pro 3000 panel. So we'll go ahead and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm going to do installer code and then pound 64. Now on here you have schedule numbers. On the SafeWatch Pro 3000 you have up to 32 schedule numbers. On the Vista 15P you only have 8. So I'm going to do the highest schedule number, which is 8, and I'm going to press star. And then the event that I'm going to put in here is 11, which is a test report. Okay, press star there. And then the test report, I want it to come in at about 4:30 a.m. because I know people aren't usually going to be on the phone at that time. So that's a good time for the panel to call out and just send out its test report. And then I'm going to come over and actually put a 1 on the day that I want the test report to come in. So today's Monday, so I want it to come in tomorrow, so that we can see that it's working and getting the test report. So I'm putting it on Tuesday, and I'm just going to press star and keep those as zeros. Once I get through that, it says repeat option 0 through 4. 0 would be it never repeats. 1 means it's going to repeat weekly. 2 is going to repeat bi-weekly, and then 3 and 4 is going to be monthly. And then I'm going to press star there, and then do I want to randomize it? No, I don't. So I'm going to press star, and then schedule number again. I'm just going to hit 0, 0, and that takes me out of there. So now I've set it up for weekly test reporting, and I've got all of my zones programmed. Now if I arm this thing, it's all set up, it's actually going to send signals to the monitoring station that we set it up to call.